What if eating over 30 different plants a week felt easy and delicious? That's exactly what this new summer cookbook is all about. Simple, feel-good meals built around one powerful idea that what we eat can support our mood and well-being. This volume of my cookbook series is full of sunshine, Mediterranean vegetables, juicy stone fruit, vibrant salads, and lots of tasty barbecues. You'll find 2 weeks of recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all using seasonal ingredients and especially no boring salads. Some of my favorite recipes include this French roast chicken, lentil and green bean salad, but also many more. And I've included everything you need to make this as easy as possible. Batch prep ideas, shopping lists, flexible meals, all that help you hit your 30 different plants a week without even thinking about it. After creating these seasonal cookbooks for over a year now, I've seen how much joy and energy eating this way can actually bring. Small swaps, easy wins. Food that really does make you feel good. So if you want to feel more energized this summer, love what you eat and try something new, then give this summer volume a try. You can find it on Amazon and through the link in the description now.